Up this evening, Contractor General Dirk Harrison says recent reports of the sale of Jamaican telecommunications company CARICEL to a South African firm have left him concerned about the manner in which it was done.
He says there are questions about whether there were breaches of the Telecommunications Act. Mr. Harrison was speaking at a Kiwanis Club of Spanish Town meeting last night. TVJ's Vashon Brown has more.
The Contractor General, in a special report in July 2016, recommended to the government that the operations license granted to Symbiota Investments, which trades as CARICEL, be revoked based on, among other things, irregularities detected in the application process. The government initially refused to revoke the license, but later backtracked and attempted to yank the license. The matter even ended up in court. Fast forward to February 2018, CARICEL issued a statement indicating that it has sold its controlling interest to a South African entity, Involution Limited. Dirk Harrison has questions.
Has this company, South African company that we hear of, complied with all these obligations of its license and the requirements imposed by Cabinet in 2016? Have they supplied all the relevant documents to the regulators? What actions, if any, will be taken should there be a breach or a failure on the part to comply with the licensee? What information is required by the minister to satisfy himself? Ladies and gentlemen, even more importantly, has any favorable treatment been granted to this licensee, whether express or implied?
Mr. Harrison has also taken issue with not being informed by Technology Minister Dr. Andrew Wheatley about the sale of CARICEL to Involution Limited. The sale was negotiated last year.
We heard, and this office for the first time heard in the news, that there was a transfer from October last year. And at January 15 of this year, the minister did not share this information with me.
The Contractor General said he'll be monitoring the development closely. He pointed out that if breaches are detected in the sale of CARICEL, there are avenues for recourse.
I trust that the minister and the regulatory agencies will look into the law that speaks to possibly suspension of licenses or revocation of licenses. We need to stop talking, and the regulators and the ministers need to act.
Vashon Brown, TVJ News.